Nest Wealth Pricing explained what you get for your money. Nest Wealth is a Canadian robo-advisor designed to provide personalized, low-cost investing. Many assume robo-advisors require large account balances and high fees, but Nest Wealth is straightforward with its pricing. The app is free to download, and there is no account opening fee. Nest Wealth charges a flat monthly fee between and depending on portfolio size, covering portfolio management, automatic rebalancing, and personalized financial advice. There are no trading commissions, and deposits and withdrawals are free. Most people get this wrong by assuming flat fees are costly for small investors. The surprising truth is that Nest Wealth's tiered model can be cost-effective, especially for larger portfolios. For example, at zero portfolio, paying a monthly fee gets professional management, diversification across ITFs, and automated rebalancing, which would be expensive if done manually. In conclusion, Nest Wealth offers transparent, accessible pricing with full-featured automated investing, making it ideal for Canadians who want a professional investment experience without hidden costs.